Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can delete a playlist on YouTube. So for that you need to open up your YouTube account, and after that if you are on a mobile device then you need to just hit up on the library on the bottom right hand side corner. But if you are on the PC or your laptop then just open up YouTube, and here on the left hand side panel you will see this option of library. Just click on it. After that you need to just scroll down and you will be able to see the playlist option over here, and you can just simply click on this playlist and it will open up. And if you want to delete an individual video over here then you need to just go on that particular video, and here on the three dots when you click on it you will be able to see this option of remove from playlist and it will be removed. But if you want to delete the whole playlist then you need to go to your YouTube again and open up your library, and in library when you go on this option of playlist you will find this option of view full playlist. Just click on this option, and if you are on mobile device then you just simply need to click on the three dots that will be available on the top right hand side corner. Just click on it, and here you will find this option of delete playlist. Just click on it and the playlist will be deleted. And this is how you delete playlist on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help you can always comment down below, and make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.